Welcome. Today's video is all about changing your WhatsApp group photo the updated and easiest way to do it. Whether you're refreshing your family group picture, setting a new photo for your friend's circle, or updating your work group, here's exactly how it's done, step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look through your chat list and tap on the group whose photo you want to change. This will open the group chat. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the chat. This takes you straight to the group info page where you can see the current group photo, members, settings, and more. Now, look at the group photo that's already there. Tap on it. When you do, you'll see an edit icon appear. Tap on that edit icon to start changing your group photo. From here, you'll be given a few options. You can choose an existing photo from your gallery, take a new one using your camera, or even select a fun image that represents your group's vibe. Once you've selected the photo you want, you'll have the chance to adjust it to fit perfectly. Zoom in, crop, or center the image until it looks just right. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on Done. That's it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp group photo to something fresh and new. This is a simple way to give your group chat a personal touch and keep things updated. Changing your group photo helps everyone quickly identify the chat, especially if you're in many different groups. So go ahead, open WhatsApp, follow these quick steps, and update that group picture today. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes your chat feel more alive and personalized. Thanks for watching.